Hello, I am Satyabroto. Uh, Today I am going to solve some problems on equivalent weight. It will give you more clear picture on equivalent weight. To get the notification for my new videos, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now I am moving to my question. It states that the equivalent weight of K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium is expressed in terms of molecular weight as option A m by 3, option B m by 4 and option C m by 6 and option D is m by 7. We know that equivalent weight of an oxidant is the molecular weight of the molecular weight of the oxidant divided by number of electrons gained per molecule. Now, our oxidant is K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7 is the combination of 2K plus and Cr2O7 2 minus ion. See, Cr2O7 2 minus in acidic medium gets converted into 2Cr3 plus cation. Here number of oxygen on left hand side is 7. In right hand side there is no oxygen. So to balance the oxygen we need to add 7H2O. Now in the right hand side the number of hydrogen is 14, but in left hand side there is no hydrogen. We know reaction occurs in acidic medium, so we can add 14H plus and check the total charges on left hand side. Total charge on left hand side is 12, whereas total charge on right hand side is positive plus 6. So to balance the charge we need to add 6 electron. So it is clear that equivalent weight is the molecular weight of the oxygen, that is m, divided by 6 electron, as 6 electron is taken up by Cr2O7. So option will be, correct option is C. Next problem says that the atomic mass and equivalent weight of an element are 27 and 9 respectively. Find the formula of its chloride. So we know that equivalent weight, that is, we can mention equivalent weight by E equal to atomic mass divided by valency. So valency equal to A atomic mass divided by equivalent weight. So valency of the chloride, valency of the element will be atomic mass is 27 and equivalent is 9. So valency is 9. 3. We know to get the formula of the chloride, say the atomic symbol of the element is M and we know the atomic symbol of chlorine is Cl. Here the valency of element M is 3 and valency of chlorine we know that is 1. So just doing the cross combination, the molecular formula will be MCl3. This is the answer. Next problem states that x gram of an element forms y gram of its chloride. Now calculate the equivalent weight of the element. Here the mass of the chloride is y gram and mass of the element is x gram. Now we need to calculate the mass of chlorine in the compound. So mass of chlorine in the compound, that is chloride, is y minus x gram. By definition, we know that equivalent weight of an element is the mass of the element that contains 35.5 gram 35.5 by mass of chloride. So y minus x gram of x gram chlorine combines with x gram of the element, and just by considering unitary method we can calculate 35.5 gram chlorine combines with x by y minus x multiplied by 35.5 gram of the element. So it becomes 35.5x divided by y minus x gram. So equivalent weight of the element is 35.5x divided by y minus x, and this is the answer. I'm ending here. So if you like my videos and if you want to get the notification for my new videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.